Please stand clear. The doors are opening.
الرجاء الوقوف بعيدا. الأبواب ستفتح.
Banget.
You're there.
Dito kami sa train mga brad. Actually hindi naman namin kailangan mag-train. Trip lang ni Donna, no?
Please stand clear. The doors are
Sakyan
closing.
natin yung trip niya. Saan to pupunta? Mulog ka pa?
Please hold on to the handrail. The train is departing to Northbound Station.
Doon, no?
الرجاء التمسك بالمقابل. قطار مغادر إلى المحطة الشمالية.
Happy ka na, Donna? Yan po, nandito pa rin tayo sa airport mga brad. We're still in the airport. As you can see, there's another train there.
السير مقابل الرياض في كل الأحوال ضمان سلامته.
You see how amazing is Qatar? Oh my god. There, oh. Oh,
Imagine we walked before, it's too far.
yeah. So if you want to go there, oh, look. Those are the waiting area. Those are the gates. Yeah.
Train is arriving at Northbound Station.
Kung kailangan nyo na pong ano doon,
سيصل محطة
ayan. Dito po tayo bababa, no? So yun po, no? Dito kami binaba ni Donna, no? Yan. This is the other side of the airport.
North.
Ito yung Panorth. Panorth to, Donna.
Pero there is a oil coffee.
Ayan. My car. Ah.
I don't think so.
May grocery doon.
There's
Grocery.
an oil coffee.
Ayan. So ikot tayo dito mga brad. Last time kasi nagmamadali kami. Ngayon may time na kami. Yan po. This is an amazing airport. Yan. Gusto nyo rin ano ng sasakyan. Pwede ka rin sumakay.